Easy now, easy.
Watch the gate on the left. Watch your left, come on, keep them steady. Gate's open, send them through. Check the pressure on bay 4. Looks good. Cycle is running smoothly.
Looks good. Standards met on this side. Acknowledged. Data logged.
The rear sensors are reading clear.
Data confirms optimal rinse cycle.
Looks perfect. Ready for conditioning.
All sections show zero contaminants, Supervisor. Data confirms optimal cleanliness. Excellent work. The quality metrics are fully satisfied.
Easy now, big guy. You're doing great. Just a little longer. Please clear the wash bay. Guide him straight to the scale. Let's keep the line moving.
The heart rate is strong and steady at 52. Respiration looks good as well. Noted. Entering the data now. Vitals look good across the board. The heart rate is strong. Confirmed. Temperature is steady at 101.5. I'll log it now.
Vitals are strong. Cross-reference with the baseline data.
All metrics are within tolerance, Doctor. The final review is complete. All parameters are within range.
Verified, Doctor. All inspection requirements have been met.
Excellent. Approved for the next stage.
The consistency here is perfect.
Agreed. Starting the cut sequence now.
We need to ensure the thickness is consistent across the entire hide for the premium selection.
Understood. I'll mark this one for the high-end purses. How did the thickness look here?
It's within tolerance. The color consistency is excellent. I'll log it now.
The laser alignment looks perfect on these markings. Yes, everything is within tolerance. We can start the cut.
The alignment is perfect. This handle is secure. Very good work.
Just this loose thread here. Got it. Confirmed. The leather texture is flawless according to the scan. We are good to go.
Everything aligns with the specifications here. The clasp is secure.
Yeah.
Excellent work. Let's get these shipped out.
The texture and color grading here are excellent.
Yes, Supervisor. We confirmed the durability score as well. The air nozzles ensure all dust is removed before the conditioning rollers apply the finish.
Right, the grain is perfectly preserved.
The edge alignment on panel 3 is slightly off.
I see it. Adjusting the calibration now.
If we shift this down, we can fit one more piece here. Good catch. That saves us a whole foot of material.
The stitching is flawless on this batch. This pass.
Yes, they meet all our standards. Approved.
The texture and density on these are perfect.
Agreed. They're ready for the next stage.
The consistency on these is excellent. Very well done.
Here are the final checks, Mark. Everything is approved.
Beautiful craftsmanship. Let's get these shipped.